Do you want to ferment and cold crash without changing anything? Is this the best airlock ever? Stick around to find out. So I'm aware there's a bag system out there where your CO2 expands the bag. But what happens if you have a blowout? I mean, bag gets full of nasties. I guess maybe you can clean it out. I don't know. But I'm betting you have everything you already need to put this system together. Just need a twin bubbler airlock. I don't think the 3-piece would work. I mean, it may. I've never tried it. But if you build something like this, you can use it to ferment and just leave it hooked up to cold crash. The fermentation will push the air out of the, I'm just using a whiskey bottle. So you start filling from the bottom with CO2. It bubbles the air out of the whiskey bottle, replacing it with CO2. And it just bubbles as normal. And when you're ready to cold crash, you turn your temperature down, leave this thing in place, and it's going to shrink the beer down a little bit, so it's going to suck back. But it's going to suck back CO2 if you have the tube down at the bottom, and all it's going to do is reverse the bubbler to bubble the other way. So, I don't know. It seems like it would work, for anything you may want to do. Crash, just regular ferment. If you have a blow off, it'll just collect in the bottom of the bottle. You clean it out when you're finished. So, I don't know. It's what I'm going to try to use from here on out, and maybe this will help you too. Cheers.